This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and assembling core documents. Have your DD 214 or service ID, photo ID, and proof of relationship ready. This saves repeated requests. Next, choose how you want the record delivered. Digital is fastest, certified for legal needs. Once done, complete the required request form carefully. Enter names, service numbers, and date ranges. Make sure to sign and date. Unsigned forms are common delays. Mail, upload, or submit in person, according to the agency's instructions, to begin retrieval. Now move into the detailed execution. Carefully complete the official request form, double-checking service dates, and the last four of the SSN to reduce matching errors. If you're acting for another person, attach consent or a valid power of attorney. Agencies reject incomplete authorization. Include payment or fee waiver documentation when required, and select expedited processing only if necessary. Once submitted, get a confirmation or tracking number and note estimated processing time. This is how you monitor progress without repeated calls. Finish by reviewing the records immediately for completeness and accuracy. Check dates, treatments, and signatures. If items are missing, file a supplementary request referencing your original tracking number and be specific about what's absent. Make sure to keep copies and create a secure digital backup for future use. If processing stalls beyond the estimated time, call the records office or FOIA helpline with your confirmation number. Remain polite but firm, and request escalation. Most holds are clerical and can be resolved quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.